Hello everyone, for everybody using Shirtly right now instead of Printful, integrating it with Etsy, we all have been facing this issue. We can see it on the Shirtly website. They are currently experiencing system issues with their order retrieval process, updating orders as shipped and connecting an Etsy shop to our platform. Okay, so that means orders you get from Etsy won't be automatically transported to Shirtly, but we need still to fulfill our orders. So I'm gonna show you how we can do this with this issue going. I'm gonna show you an example. I got an order yesterday. Okay, so here is the order I got yesterday on June 24th. Okay, but this order, if I went to my orders here and clicked on awaiting payment like I usually did, and I clicked on retrieve latest orders, it doesn't show here, and this is the system issue they are having. Okay, so what can I do to fulfill this order is I simply go here and click on create order and create this order manually. Here you have two options to do the basic order or the sample order. The sample order will give you 30% off your sample order. If you want to know more about this, you'll see a link appearing up here in the video. You can click and watch it, but I'm gonna go with the basic order. So here you fill the customer information you find here. You click on the ship to, it will have all the customer's information. His name is here in the email. You fill all of this here. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this as an example just so you know how to do it, and I'm gonna also show you how to update the shipping information for this order. Okay, so we go here, we choose New York and whatever. Okay, and you click and continue, and you'll come to this page. This has the order details. Here you'll choose the product. My product was this shirt, Bella plus canvas. I choose my size. I can find all of this information here. You see unisex shirt size, large. So you go here and click on large. Check the color from Etsy and choose it here. Mine was black. Here you drop your artwork just like the normal order you would make from Etsy. Okay, then choose your shipping, then review and add to cart and pay for it. Now let's say you have an order you made with Shirtly, and now with this issue it doesn't show as shipped on Etsy. So how to fix this? To fix this, you go to your shipped here from orders, and you will have to do this manually too. So you see here the orders that have been shipped from the Shirtly fulfillment center with their tracking numbers. So what we do, let's say for example this order after like 5 days it has been shipped and I want to update it on Etsy. You go here and click on the mark as complete button, and it will show you this box. What you do with this box is you choose the ship date. When was this item shipped? For my example, it was shipped like today. Here you select the shipping carrier. The shipping carrier isn't listed here, so you click on other and type DHL Global Mail. And for the tracking number, you find your order. It's not shown here because it's still waiting for fulfillment, but let's say if it's this order, you just copy this tracking number, paste it here, and you click mark order as complete, and you'll get your money. This is everything you need to know about how to complete your work with shipping and integration problem Shirley is having with Etsy right now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did and you want more videos in English, my channel is basically in Arabic. So if you need a channel for English videos, for more videos like this, click on the like button and type for me the comment that you want me to keep on creating videos in English. Thank you guys. Bye bye.